Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making a drink called Ponche de Malta, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. Okay, so here of course I have my Malta. The brand I'm using is Vitaro. That's the brand I prefer. You can use any one, Goya, Malta India. I have 2 egg yolks, my sugar. I have a cup to mix, a strainer, a fork, and my cup of ice. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is take my egg yolk and my cup, and I'm going to pour it in just like that. And I'm also going to add my sugar, okay? And then I'm going to come with my fork and I'm just going to whisk it, okay? And we want to whisk this. You see how it's yellow? We're going to whisk it until it's like a pale yellow, more like white, okay? Okay guys, so I just want to show you. You see how it's turning more lighter? We want it more lighter than that, okay? So we're going to continue mixing. Okay guys, so let me show you the way it looks. You see that? That's the way you want it, okay? So I've been mixing this, I want to say, for 40 to 60 seconds. Okay guys, so now that this is well mixed, what I'm going to do is open my Malta and we're going to pour this in there, okay? Make sure your Malta is really, really, really cold, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it. I want to say halfway like this, okay? And then we're going to mix it. Just like this. You want to make sure that everything blends well, okay? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is pour the rest. And mix again, okay? This is really good. My mom and my grandmother always used to make this for me as a child. It is delicious, okay? And once you got it mixed like this is ready to serve. Okay guys, so now that I have my cup of ice, I had it in the freezer so it can be nice and cold. I'm gonna come with my strainer because you don't want no egg particles or anything in there. So we're just gonna pour it little by little, okay? Okay, so now that went down, I'm gonna come and pour the rest, okay? Look at that. It's so good. If you try this, please let me know. I also made a video on how to make this, but with grape juice. I'll leave the link below. Look at that. You see how creamy that looks? And that's it. This is ready to serve. Look at that. Like always, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions, please let me know. I will leave the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description below. And have a blessed day.